My name's Jesse Westwood. I have been with the Oldfather Group for just shy of a year now. I first joined the team right before COVID hit. Our family moved from Washington State back over here to Sussex County. Born and raised Sussex County. It's great to be back after being gone for quite a few years. Prior to doing real estate, I was actually a couple things. I was a barista for almost 10 years and actually owned my own pop-up espresso bar. And then on top of that, what really got me into real estate was I was a real estate photographer. After doing so much photography for other realtors and helping them with some of their admin work, eventually one realtor just said, hey, you might as well become one. And so I got to work with a great team of people that really had a great name in the industry and learned from them. Really my passion for photography and really just customer service in the coffee industry translated well into the real estate field. And from there, I've just been loving it. Officially been doing real estate for just shy of 3 years now. Since joining the Oldfather Group, I have grown not only as a realtor, but as just a person in general more than I could have imagined. The team really focuses not on just growing your business, but really just growing as a person with your integrity, your character, and how you work with people. It's been an amazing first year. I've had more transactions than I could have imagined. I've met more people than I could have imagined, and just been learning so much. I can't speak highly enough of them in the team. Team mentality is really everything and has been probably the driving force behind not only the success I have found, but the team has found. That mentality of serving others, serving our community, serving people has really shifted the whole dynamic of the way I do real estate and the way I work with people. Find the best house for someone, but really serving what their goals are and serving what they are trying to achieve as a family. The main goal is really to serve people the best way I can. It's not so much focus on the number of people I'm working with, but really how can I best serve the people I'm working with. And I've come to find that the more I focus on helping people and serving people, the more I find that I have a better time doing my job, the more people enjoy working with me, and just the easier it is to work with other people. Once you realize that you have this opportunity to help people find a home or a getaway or an investment, and you start focusing on that side of things, it really just becomes a joy. There's so many different people with so many different backgrounds that have so many different goals. And so being able to switch hats for each person and find out what they want and what they're trying to achieve, and then be a part of that is really fun and exciting. And it's really a huge honor when someone says, hey, I want you to help me find that house, or I want you to help me sell my house so I can find another house. We don't take that lightly, and it's a huge honor.